lot of steam coming out from that volcano. We do have a small amount of magma, those molten rocks which are very hot, reaching the surface and essentially at sea level, meeting up with seawater. And that basically produces some explosions.
Ashes are sent up several hundred meters in the air, and these ashes are very humid, very wet, so actually they can't go very high and then tend to fall again very close to the volcano. And they build an island straight away. So actually, it really is a baby island that we're seeing.